I was acid attacked in 2006, 12 days after my wedding, by a jilted man who wanted to marry me and whose proposal I had denied. The whole experience after the attack, being in the burns ward for initial 4 months and undergoing reconstructive surgeries one after the other, changed me as a person forever. I saw the plight of burn patients uh, who didn't had any kind of support, and I really wanted to do something about it. From my initial days, I always wanted to help the other burn patients who were underprivileged, who were not that had no information about uh, the how to recover from the burns, and I just wanted to help them. But one thing which always used to stuck me was, I was not able to help them for their surgeries. And that's how I started Atijeevan Foundation, to provide free of cost reconstructive surgeries and other non-surgical procedures to the ones who cannot afford it, to guide them, to counsel them, to counsel the whole family, and make them so much independent that they can live a life with dignity. In the month of March this year, I wanted to open an alternate bank account with the bank where I already have an account, which is a 15-year-old bank account. And I went to the bank and they told that they will open it within hours. And when they took a live photo of me and they asked me to blink my eye, I told I cannot blink my eye. And that was the reason my application to open a bank account was rejected. The same thing happened 2 years back when I wanted to take a new SIM card for my daughter. And the whole experience, this time I was firm to change it, because as good as we think our digital system, the whole country is changing, but it is not inclusive for people with disability. So rehabilitation of acid attack and burn patient is a multifold challenge. You need to provide them all sort of treatment, reconstructive surgeries, other non-surgical procedure. But still, what to do after that? They lose their job, they lose their education is stopped. So we need to skill train them in some kind of skill, or provide them vocational training, so that we need to place them in industry or start their small businesses, so that they earn some sort of livelihood, a regular source of income, so that they are not dependent on the family or anyone in future, and they can live a life with dignity. People, I just want them to respect everyone around them, respect the other gender and their decisions. I want to tell the youth, I want to tell the parents to educate their children in telling them that the world should be inclusive, and they should have the thought process of being inclusive in terms of having different kind of people around them. Of course, respecting, and when you show it with an example, it is very, very important to respect the other gender and respect their decisions. And I want to tell the girls that you have all the rights to choose your life partner and whom you want to be with. So, you don't need to be scared of anyone.